everyone, I'm Nina Zeta with Sidewalker Daily, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about TikTok Lives. I am actually really excited to do this video because similarly to an Instagram Live video that I did, I'm gonna go live on TikTok while filming this video, doing my very best so that you guys can actually be walked through the process of going live, especially if you haven't before, maybe a little nerve-wracking, so you're able to do it with me. I'll also go into tons of information about TikTok Live so that you are all good to go. And the first place we obviously need to start is why? Why should we go live on TikTok? Well, here's the thing, guys. If you are a creator or whatever, however you're using the platform, here at Sidewalker, we talk mostly to creators and influencers on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and all the different social platforms. But if you are a creator that is investing time on TikTok, you've hit that 1,000 follower mark threshold and you're not going live, you are missing out on an opportunity to connect with your audience, right? So the first place that we're gonna start with the why is connection. Going live is very different than your typical TikTok content. If you go on our TikTok at Sidewalker Daily, you're gonna see our content is oftentimes very staged in the sense that we're showing different situations between the brand and the creator. We do, Kingsley and I, we do some role playing, or you'll see us kind of taking excerpts from a YouTube video, or you'll see us do stuff to trending music. But a live is very different. It is just you being you, and it's this totally other dimension that, especially on TikTok, like when people are just posting, depending on the style of content that you post, of course, the live really lets you just get humanized, right? And be connected to your audience. Also, it's a great way to send people to other platforms, telling them, hey, I got a podcast, I have a YouTube, I have an Instagram, I have a newsletter, transferring that following. It's also a great way to grow your following because as you're live, your followers, the people that are watching your live, they can share that live with others. So it is a good way to grow. And then some creators are using lives as a way to monetize because there is a gift giving opportunity within the live, which I will dive in a little bit throughout today's video. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure you do. We love talking about all things social strategy, creator, influencer, all that good stuff. So definitely subscribe so you're kept up to date. Now, when it comes to lives, there are requirements. So let's talk about it. First, you need to have 1,000 followers. Secondly, you need to be at least 16 years old and 18 years old if you're going to be receiving those gifts that we talked about, which is TikTok's basically like monetary way of compensating their creators. So let's go ahead and go live together so that you can see what the interface looks like. So you're going to go ahead and click this little plus button on your TikTok. Here I am. I am going to scroll and find the live feature. Now, once you're live, you can add a title. So my title is going to be filming a YouTube on lives. Let's make that our title. Then obviously you can add a topic. So if this way it allows new viewers to find you and join your live. So let's just say you are gonna have a certain topic that you wanted to talk about. You could go in and do that. Let me go actually ahead and take a look at the different topics available. I'm going to go ahead and add the topic and scroll. Okay, so literally they're all different ones. So you could go ahead and do this. For now, because this is just an example, I'm going to put none. And also it lets you support a nonprofit, which is also very cool if that is something that you're looking to do more of in your creator journey. Now here, obviously you can flip it. You can flip the screen, you can enhance it, maybe have a little filter. Okay, I have one on already. That's great. Here's your live center. It allows you to promote it. Let's go into our settings quickly. So here are your settings. They're going to like all your lives. So here I have it turned on so people could send gifts. I also have my rankings turned on. So it allows our username, like the usernames of people who are putting gifts to show up. Now here's the comment setting. This is interesting because you can mute certain people during your live, like if someone's bothering you, and once they're muted, they can be muted for either the entire live, 5 minutes. You can decide how long you want to have that person muted for, and you can have certain keywords blocked. So like if you don't want people saying certain things in your live, you can absolutely do that. And I love this moderator tool right here because let's just say I wanted Kingsley or someone from the team to join. They can manage comments mute people, you know, put people on the blocked account list, like all of that. So I could literally go in here and choose who I wanted to be a moderator for my live. So I think that is super, super cool and helpful. It obviously is pulling it in from my camera. Let's go ahead here and click like the live center quickly to see what is happening within here so that you can see. And then here it'll show my analytics. So it'll also show other hosts. Obviously there's probably like replays of certain recordings. So I think TikTok is making the lives like very, very easy because they want people to be able to go live. They're going to be posting their updates here. So this is fun. We're doing this together. And I think this is a really great thing. So let's go ahead and turn it on so we can see what happens once we go live. This is so exciting. Okay, so filming a YouTube on lives. I'm going to go ahead and quick live, hit go live. Actually, before I do, I want to see what this button does. Promote. I'm assuming this is some sort of promotion. Okay. So yes, you could get more viewers. This is like a boosted feature. We're not going to enable that, but it is available. So let's go ahead and click live so you guys can see. So there's a countdown happening. We're going to go ahead and try. Okay, so this is how the live looks, guys. This is how it looks. We're doing this together here. This is gonna be really exciting. TikTok is notifying viewers that we're live. So here is, let's go ahead and push some buttons. So we have our co-host. I could have a co-host to this live, and this is how I do it, by scrolling and inviting these people to join. So that's pretty cool. And then let's go ahead and take a look right here at the multi-guest. Oh, this is us being able to go live together. So there's so many amazing features about going live on TikTok that we can be able to go ahead and do. So I just want to quickly see how this would work and go live together. Okay, this is how we would end it if someone was to join with me, but we're gonna go ahead and stay. As you can see, no one has joined it. That's why it says 0, and that's okay because I kind of want to get off soon. I don't want to be on here for too long. Let's take a look at the interaction button. We can send this live to other people. That was the share button. This is the interact button. So if you are doing a live on TikTok, it allows you to have these different features, lightning Q&A. So randomly choose topics, you can switch. I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now, but I want to show you there's Q&A answers that you can do. You can set up a poll. So really, really drives engagement. If you're able to create TikTok lives, for those of you joining, this is my first TikTok live. So we are doing this for our YouTube video that we are filming all on TikTok lives. And I wanted to share my audience how it looks when you're going live. So I'm actually recording my screen right now, which is kind of fun and cool. So hello and welcome to the 6 people that are on this while I'm doing a live test. Let's go ahead and look at the tools. Comment, GIF, support not process, pause live. How cool, you can pause a live. Your live will freeze. Okay, we're not gonna pause it, but I just wanna show my YouTube fam that you can pause it. So that is a really great tool as well. Enhance, I'm assuming that you can add all these different effects. You can add stickers to your live. Oh my gosh, there are so many things here on TikTok Live. You can add effects, you can add stickers. We just did that. We're not gonna do that again. Let's go back to it. It's under enhance, voice effects, flip camera, marry your video. So literally guys, there are so many advantages and features that TikTok is doing for TikTok lives. Voice effects, like what is that? Like you could literally get on here and make fun voices. That's cool. Invite another host and go live together. This is great for networking as well. So I think we've gone through all of these. Go live together. We have our co-host. Let me go ahead and just click all these buttons. Okay, and here's gonna be showing you your performance. So this is how you're able to see if you get diamonds, any new followers that come from your lives, your total views. It tells you your connection. Mine's good, so that's great. It's how long I've been on for 3 minutes. So all of this is really, really helpful, especially for, you know, when you're doing lives, you obviously want to be prepared. You want to come to the table with things to talk about. For those of you that are actually listening in, you're probably like, what is this? But I'm filming a YouTube video and I'm screen recording to put it on. So we've gone through every feature. So I think we've gone through all of them. We could go through admin settings again, comment settings. We talked about this, like we're going to allow comments for now. We talked about ranking. There's certain accounts that we can mute, we can block. They apply to all your lives. So I think we have gone through a lot. Let's take a look at topics. That's, again, we did that one if you wanted to add it on. Hear your voice. Use headphones to hear how you sound to viewers. So cool. Well, I don't have headphones on, but next time I will when I actually go live. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this live. Oh, and also clicking right here, you can see who has been on your live, who's been watching it. So you can click your top viewers. You can take a look at who your viewers are. And that number is obviously shifting. I wanna go ahead here really quickly and take a look. Okay, so to leave your live is this little power button. Then you're gonna go ahead and click end now, and that's how you end your live. Awesome, so at the end of this, you're able to see your total viewer count. We're able to see our views. We didn't get any diamonds. We had around 129 people show up, top viewers. Tells us host we wanna follow. I'm gonna go ahead and give it an overall good experience, submit. And you got more views than 71% of hosts with a similar following. So that's cool to get that data. So that was fun and in real time. So you guys were able to see me go live and were able to see all the features together. We learned about it together. I love doing this sort of stuff with you guys on our community. Now, just some overall tips before we wrap up. You saw how to do it. Now you saw all the features available to you. So you're not on there like scared. You should know that you have all these features, and there's so many engagement features, right? So I would definitely recommend for you guys to use those features. TikTok has them there for a reason. They make it really easy to go live. And now you use me as your guinea pig to see all that stuff. Make sure you are prepared for your lives. Obviously mine was like a random one because I'm testing it to show you guys. But when I do lives, I definitely come to the table prepared. I usually have talking points. I want to make sure the lighting is good. You know, the lighting is, if I'm filming like this, I want the light to be behind me so that it looks, you know, the light is on my face. It's nice and clear. All those little things will help you with a live. And it's a great way to obviously connect with your audience. Now, when it comes to lives, I would say the longer the better. Now, we don't need to be on there for hours and hours, but if it's for 5 minutes, the way TikTok works is that it alerts your audience. So you at least want to, I would say, give it a 30-minute run. That way you actually have the opportunity to connect with people and have them like join you. So definitely the longer the better. And you can ask people in your live to share it with their audience. So like if I was to do a live, I would probably do it on how to work with brands, right? Or how to be a UGC creator or how to pitch. And then I would say probably something like, if you find this useful or if you guys are liking what I'm sharing and you think a friend would benefit, make sure you hit that share button and share this live with your friends. I would literally say that because again, it's just an opportunity to have someone in the audience share the live and get more people to join and hopefully grow your following and all that. I also think going live on TikTok is a really interesting angle if you're going to be pitching to brands. If you are comfortable going live and you have really good stats on your lives, people are showing up, people are pumped, all that good stuff, you could use this data to pitch to brands like, hey, I want to do a live and include your brand in it, whether it be a product review or a testimonial or whatever. So going live, and I think we saw there's so much reporting and data that you can see from your lives, like how many people showed up, like all of that good information, that you can use that as information to pitch to brands and get them excited about joining your future live as a sponsor. And obviously, if you can get consistent and be like every Tuesdays at 9 a.m. I go live, anything that's like scheduled, people get used to. So they'll start to expect you to show up live. And I think there's something very cool and positive about that because it creates this like momentum. And again, if people start connecting with you live, it's a whole other level of connectedness, trust that you're building with your audience. And again, from a brand partnerships perspective, because you guys know that's what we talk about here, it's really good data to pitch to brand partners. Last note, keep those lives with good high energy. Remember, I know it's weird like talking to a camera because you can't see people's reactions, but this is the time and place where either, you know, you kind of boost yourself. People don't want to go on a live if you're drab. Boost yourself up, maybe pretend you're talking to a friend, read the comments, try to make it interactive. You know, there's all those fun effects. I wouldn't go too crazy on the effects, but again, that's my brand, but maybe for you it would work. But at the end of the day, like TikTok does make it very easy for you to have fun on this live platform. So let me know, are you going to go live? Have you gone live before on TikTok? If you haven't, let me know if you're going to, if I've inspired you to. If you have, let us know in the comments about your experiences, any tips that you guys want to share about going live on TikTok. I'm definitely going to do it more. I may even do it today after, because I am so pumped by it, and I'm so grateful that I was able to go live with my YouTube fam, my original #1 fam. So excited that we were able to share that moment together. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit subscribe, like our video, comment, all that good stuff. And again, if you are an influencer or creator that wants to work with brands, that wants to pitch to brands, that wants to go live, pitch your TikTok lives to brand, and you need help pitching, you don't know how to work with brands yet, come to my live free training. I host them every month. We have tons of good information. I will include a link below to our next training so you can come and join us, and I will see you in the next video.